Hi, this is Jonathan Myron with Plain and Simple Computing. Today we're going to talk about msconfig. msconfig can be used to streamline the startup of your computer and also to improve its performance. So, click the Start button, type msconfig, and you'll see this. Now msconfig will be in normal startup most of the time. You can change that over to diagnostic startup and reboot if you think something is wrong with your computer and you want only the very basics to see if it changes anything. The same thing can be applied using selective startup. Let's go to the startup group. This is a list of everything that starts on your computer when your computer starts up. That's useful because you can tell what things are starting that you might not want to start. Some of the things on the list you will recognize. A good example of that is Adobe Acrobat, which is the program, the Adobe Acrobat Reader that reads PDF files. For the purposes of demonstration, I left 3 items that I don't know what they are and really don't want them starting up. Those are RoboMagic, Big Dog Path, and Big Dog. So I'm unchecking them and then I'm going to click OK. Once you do that, when you reboot your computer, it will no longer start those items, and you can find out if you've done any good. This is a good thing mostly. The times when it's a bad thing is when you uncheck something that you later come to understand does something useful for you. If that happens, go back to the Start button, type msconfig, go to Startup, recheck the items you'd unchecked, click OK, and no harm, no foul. The next time you reboot, you'll be back where you were.